One of the real pestilences around here is gophers. Even Bill Murray wouldn't want to come here. See? Look at that. See what they did there? So, I think I got him the other day. But I've got this stuff here, Excluder. I got some lawn things. Look at that, comes with little scissors. Look at this, say. Thanks. Well, thank you. You're the one that I need to be thanking. And this is fill fabric starter kit. Contains fill fabric. So I'm going to try to put this down here because gophers are nothing more than a rodent. So I'm going to put a little strip of this across there and see if maybe I'll cut it in half long ways and just put a strip right here and see how that works. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. So scissors and gloves, oh my. Okay, so I got my cheap garden staples. Boy, remember when they cheaped out on those? That was terrible. And I got a little strip of it right there, right, and I nailed it down. And might as well put a rock or two in front of it too, huh? He might. That'll be evidence that if he comes and tries. Okay, so we got a little bit of a mark. I put some right there. I don't know. I might need to put more. We'll see what he does. But if he bites into that stuff, I think he's going to go. I want out of sun. So anyway, there you go. We'll see how that works. Nice little kit. I hear tell it works real well. I need to get the tractor and the trailer around here and pick up, don't I? Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll see if this works. It'll just take time, so I'm going to go ahead and post this, and we'll see if it works.